I'll just give you a recap again. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This side. See, first of all, when customer comes to means you are opening a account or whatever it is, first will be customer onboarding. Customer onboarding, what it will do? It will do a KYC verification. In KYC verification, there is a step called customer screening. Once customer screening pass, customer will be created. Then once a customer is created, accounts will be created. Once accounts are created, then transactions will happen. In that, transactions are three types. Wire transaction, monetary instrument, which we call as MI, and cash transaction. So which transactions should be monitored? They will go into the AML system. That's the flow. This one, it has to be in your mind.
Okay.
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 Then why AML required? Because integrity of the bank, trust.
Okay.
Trust can be built via compliance. Transparency, whatever do the transactions or charges or whatever is there, they have to say to the customer that these are the charges, these are the things.
Yes,
So
sir.
transparency with customer, transparency with regulators. So if the regulator asking some data and all that, they have to provide all the details of the customer account, transaction, etc. Whatever the regulator ask. They should not hide.
Yes, sir.
This is what is required in AML.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then comes why AML. So initially it started with money laundering, like your black money to white money. Then fraud, scams, tax, all those things came. Then with the evolution of financial crimes and all that, terror financing also is included in AML. So now if you say AML, it is nothing but like a stopping financial crime.
Yeah.
That's all. One small sentence is stopping financial crime.
Okay, sir.
How you are going to do that, I will say later.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
understood, right here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how AML evolved, that all we discussed. I'm not going to this again.
Okay, sir.
How the AML, what is it? US Bank Secrecy Act, this that came, and then FATF things came. All those things, there is a history. So it's just for your knowledge.
Okay, sir.
This will not be much importance for your work related, but history you should know.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because if you know the history, what you are doing in current, you will know, and what will come in future, you will be able to adapt. Simple. Okay, AML evolved. Then all these things we discussed yesterday, so I'm not going. Okay, this also actually. This risk-based approach, what I have written, no, I'm giving you a high-level definition now.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go in very deep into this later on. But what is a high-level approach is like what the thing FATF proposed was somewhere in 2012, that when a customer is onboarded, then what kind of background he is. As I said, you PEP, that a politically exposed person, or he comes from what kind of background and all that. So based on his background, what will happen? The bank will categorize him into three kind of risk. One is low, medium, and high.
Right.
Low, medium, high. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So high risk are who? Politically exposed person, or those whose behavior or something is something looking very suspicious kind of thing in the initial KYC. Okay, they will see the things already. I mean, whatever they have, with the data and all that, they will try to make a this one that okay, this guy comes under which kind of risk and all that, that they will do. So they will give a score. This guy is high risk, medium risk, low risk. Okay, so that's score assessment will be happening. It's an ongoing process. Like how much credit card you are using, how many loans you have taken, how much are you paying your loans on time, what transactional, like that. In that basis, the risk score is being calculated.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is some basic I'm saying. There are softwares and some mathematical formulas and all those things are there, which will calculate the risk. So I'm not going to say in detail, nor I have anything data to show you that how they are doing. This is the idea.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, Gautam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Continue.
Okay. Then what happened is during this process, many banks, what happened, they could not fulfill whatever guidelines was being given. So the RBI or which one or whichever regulatory body like the European Union or the US or whatever kind of this one, they imposed fines. Have you recently got into one news or something where HDFC Bank was being fined?
No, sir.
Okay, there was some non-compliance, non-KYC compliance, something was being found in HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank was being fined.
Okay.
It was not a big, this one based on whatever data they had, and but it was fined. So RBI and all, they are checking the things from each and every bank, and based on their whatever data they are sharing, if they are compliant, fine. If they are not compliant, this RBI impose fine on the banks.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so here what is happening is this compliance. When I say compliance means it could be AML, it could be KYC, it could be anything.
Okay, sir.
Which says that the whatever RBI and rules, whatever they have done, you have to be comply with it.
Okay, sir.
Right. When you are riding a bike, if you don't wear helmet, traffic police catch you, right? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Same thing here. You think like that.
Okay, sir.
RBI is like a traffic police, you are like a bank, and if you violated something, you will be fined. Simple.
Okay, sir.
Okay, any kind of thing, whether you have a RC or not, whether you are wearing helmet or not, whether you are going triple, based on
Okay,
whatever it is, the fines are like that, right?
right, sir.
Similarly, this one. Okay, so this is what means the regulatory body. When I say regulatory body, I will do one thing. I will when I say regulatory body, I'll say RBI in Indian context, because that is what will be easy for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm not going to for European Union and this US and all that. Okay, so they put fine. Okay, so normally what happens if any banks, they are not compliant, RBI kind of institution will fine these banks. And recently there was a very classic case happened with JP Morgan. You heard, right? JP Morgan.
No, sir, no.
JP Morgan is one of the biggest financial institution.
Okay.
Okay, it has bank, it has investments and all many kind of things it does, JP Morgan.
Okay.
Okay, some 45 million euro was being fined by Germany's regulatory body. Imagine 45 million euro. Okay.
Okay.
How much fine it is? And what is and why banks are very serious is, one is reputation, second is the amount of fine what they give, and this compliance is a non-profit department. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Because in other departments where they give credit card loans, or they put whatever activities the bank do, right,
Yes, sir.
they will generate revenue for the bank, right?
Right, sir.
Whatever they do, they are generating revenue, right?
Right, sir.
But here compliance, banks are investing money here, but there is no return, zero return. But bank has to do. They cannot say, no, I do not have, it is not giving me any profit, I will stop this department. They cannot do that. They have to do, and for them the only thing profit is they should not be fined. That is the only thing for them, it is a profit. Okay, so compliance is how much important you are now understanding, right?
Right, sir.
Whatever happens in this world here, if banks are there, this kind of KYC, AML, this all will be always there. This will never go out. This will be always there, evergreen. Here the work will be increasing. It will not decrease. The work will increase and increase and increase. Just think like this, yeah. What I'm saying, like policeman.
Okay.
Okay. So, in one country, police is there, right? From police, is government getting any money?
No, sir.
No, right? But they are paying salary to the police officer, right?
Right, sir.
To stop crime and keep balance in the society.
Yes, sir.
But they are paying salary and that all. So, after 5 years or 10 years, will police go away?
No, sir.
No, right? Crimes are increasing, police work will increase, police people will increase, or they have to go for computer, AI, this, that, everything, right?
Right, sir.
Same thing is like here, compliance. You just think like a police. Simple. Very, very simple. You always have a job here. You always have a work here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, yeah. Now let's come. I think, did we speak yesterday? AML? No. Okay.
No, sir, no.
Yeah. So now the things are clear, right? Whatever we discussed, and why AML, and how, what will happen in the next coming years, how this will grow, everything is clear in your mind, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. So again, what is anti-money laundering? Anti-money laundering, it says that the laws, regulation, technology, process that financial institutions use to detect, prevent, and report money laundering, like a police.
Okay.
Okay, police use whatever kind of instrument, right? They will use their network, they will use computers, they will use AI, they will use some informational network, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you just think AML is like that.
Okay.
Okay, so there they are doing with the human and all that. Here you are doing with the transactional data.
Okay.
Or customer data or account data. This is on data, they are doing over human there. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So now the most important thing is how AML is being able to do this all things. When you're saying about data, what kind of data?
Okay.
Okay. So when it says that to get that data, it is using KYC data. Okay. Then customer due diligence. Customer due diligence means what they're saying is like when you are giving the onboarding for the customer, you are asking the documents.
Documents. Okay.
Okay, so documents can vary from if it is like a company, sorry, individual, they'll ask Aadhaar card, driving license, or PAN card, etc., etc. If it is a company, for company, they will ask some other documents. Correct.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
So basically, it is all document keeping.
Okay.
CDD. So what is EDD? It is enhanced due diligence.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you say enhanced due diligence means like a person, PEP person, or some persons who are little bit, you are thinking this guy is something wrong or whatever, where you means where you are feeling no, this is some kind of person which can be a trouble or something. So there you are asking more details.
Yeah. For
That is
highlights
called
for this
enhanced due
particular.
diligence.
Okay.
Okay, this all you write it.
Okay, sir.
What is customer due diligence, KYC, this whole thing? Okay. Now comes, this is from the customer side. Now, as I said you, transaction monitor, this one, in that our first slide, I showed you how
Yeah.
that the accounts are created and transaction, and then to AML, whatever to be monitored, that transactions only will go to AML. So once AML, the data comes to the AML system, what will happen based on your risk score, which we spoke earlier, RBA, risk-based approach. Okay, you just mark the risk-based approach, RBA.
Okay, sir.
So in that you have the scoring models. So based on that customer risk and all that, there are certain algorithms and all that which will be used, and then alerts will be generated for monitoring. Whether something like what happens is, for example, yeah, you are doing drunken driving. Example I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
Okay. First time drunken driving, 5,000 rupees, fine.
Okay.
Okay. Second time drunken driving, 10,000 rupees, fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Third time, 50,000 rupees, fine,
Okay.
and your license can gone,
Can, sir.
right?
Right, sir.
So, like that, what happens is in this AML alerts and all that, they keep this one that how alerts are being generated and what is happening, and that kind of monitoring they do.
Okay.
Okay. So, like how many times you did the transaction, to with whom you did, what it is. So that's a different. This means when I go to that part, I will explain you about all those things in deep. As of now,
Okay.
just think that all the transactions which has to be monitored is coming to the AML will be monitored by in alerts and all those systems.
Okay.
Okay. Then they do a screening. So screening is actually when you do a KYC time, at that time you are doing a screening against his name, his address, his phone number, all those things.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is based on your customer. But when it comes to this one, so there is another screening called transaction screening.
Yeah.
Okay, so what does transaction screening is? Transaction screening will do, let's say you are sending me 10,000 rupees from your SBI account to my SBI account, for example.
Okay, sir.
Okay, not SBI. I'll say my account is HDFC.
Okay.
Okay, so when SBI it sends one message to HDFC that Gautam is sending this much money to you.
Yeah.
Okay. SBI will send one message to HDFC saying that Gautam is sending some money to Satya. Okay, so what it will do is SBI first before sending, what it will do is it will check in its SBI system that is Satya's name in any of the blacklist.
Okay.
They will have a black list. They are called sanction list or PEP list or adverse media list or some list will be there.
Okay.
So if at all, if my name is in that list, then that transaction will be put on hold. If it is sanction list, blocked. Immediate block. Okay. So when you say
Okay.
sanction means, for example, like nowadays you are hearing this terrorist group name, right? Al Qaeda, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Jamaat-e-Muslim, something, right?
Yes, sir.
These all groups name you are hearing, no? So
Okay.
this all group names will be in that sanction list, and the persons who are in that group or something, of that Asad Mahjoor or something name they say, right?
Yes, sir.
Some terrorist name they say in news, right? So those people will be names and address, phone numbers, or whatever will be, that all will be in that sanction list. So any person sending money to this one, first of all, they will block it.
Yeah.
Then they will file a report to the RBI, or they will file a complaint in the police saying that this person is sending money to this person. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that first screening they will do in the transaction level. So this one SBI is doing against my name.
Okay.
Similarly, when that request come to HDFC, HDFC will know that okay, Gautam is sent money to Satya, and what it they means HDFC Bank will do, it will check its own sanction list, whatever it is. Is Gautam in that list? So both the ways it will be checked. If everything is clean, then only the payment will be, transaction will be completed. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is called transaction screening. Okay. Then what will happen after this transaction screening all done, transaction completed? So if at all anything suspicious came during the AML, what you say that algorithms or something is run, right? So
Yes,
if
sir.
anything alert came and something suspicious and all that, then that is first it will be done by the AML analyst, what they are called as level 1 escalation. Write it: level 1 escalation, level 2 escalation, level 3 escalation.
Okay, sir.
Write it. 1 second. Okay. So what level 1 escalation is, alerts are generated. They will do the analyst will do one, take that alerts. They will check and compare that transaction, account history, all those things, that all will be done. And if they found nothing suspicious and just alert generated, so they will close. Okay, there is no issue in this alert. I am closing it. Like that, they will put one comment and they will close the alert.
Okay, sir.
If at all they found anything suspicious with their knowledge, then they will
Okay.
go to level 2 escalation.
Level 2. Okay.
They'll say, this is what I found. There is some escalation and something suspicious I feel and all that. So I am marking it for level 2 escalation. Level 2 escalations are like senior AML analyst.
Okay.
Okay. Level 1 are AML, junior AML analyst or AML analyst kind of thing.
Okay, sir.
Level 2 will be senior AML analyst.
Okay.
Okay, because senior AML analyst will be having more knowledge and they would be having more detailed knowledge and all those things. So they will check what this level 1 has done. Is it correct or not? They will do their own this one, and if they found okay, this is not a problem, we can close, they will close it. If they found no, there is something more suspicious and all that, what they will do is they will go to level 3 escalation.
Okay.
That is again the manager level.
Okay.
Okay, and there what they will do is they will do a deep dive analysis. Okay.
Okay.
Then if in level 3 they found that yes, it is a suspicious transaction or activity or whatever it is, they will then file a report that is called SAR. SAR is nothing but suspicious activity report. Write it.
Okay, sir.
Suspicious activity report. Then you have another called suspicious transaction report.
Okay, sir.
Okay, both are different. So if they found in the transaction something suspicious, they'll mark a suspicious transaction report. But if the customer has done some multiple transactions and all that, that will come as activity.
Okay.
Okay, suspicious transaction report, suspicious activity report. And these people who are writing this STR and SAR, they are the topmost analyst. It's a different stream itself, because this report will go to the RBI.
Okay.
In RBI, and there is a department called FIU,
FIU. Okay.
Financial Intelligence Unit.
Unit.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard FIU?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So this report will go to them, and then FIU will do their investigation. That's a different thing. I'm not going to talk about that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is how the flow will become. This is what I'm saying. Risk, STRSR, risk assessment and compliance governance. So it will go there. They will do their things. Okay. So you got the whole picture right now.
Yes, sir.
This is how it happens in AML. Means if you are not able to understand as of now, okay, fine. While going detailed, you will get to understand. But when I'm talking this all things in the next chapters and all that, my assumption is that you will not get surprised by these words. That is why I said you this much.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, adverse media means what it will be, sir?
Adverse media means it can be like what do you say? Something like these YouTubers or those people who are working in some what do you say that one? Some kind of activities which is not in the genuine stream.
Okay.
Okay. Like what do you say? I will do one propaganda against country.
Okay. Like fake.
Fake news.
Like, yeah.
Okay. That kind of thing you can say.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then Okay, I'll not go this one very much. Objectives of AML, I already said you
Yes.
what it is. Stop criminal, protect bank, enforcement, safeguard national security, maintain stability and integrity of the financial system and all that. So I don't want to go beyond this. Okay. Why AML matters. This also I said you, but I'll just quick through this one. It says terror financing, drug trafficking, corruption, human trafficking, cyber crime, tax evasion, dot. Anything in the crime.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, this one, let me just do one thing. Now, is it clear for you?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, so AML life cycle. As I said you, customer to account, transaction, alert, cases, reporting.
Reporting.
This diagram, keep it in mind, print in your mind.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If not, you prepare the diagram yourself in your notebook now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, do it.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Yeah. Okay. So now let's come to the this one. Means the whatever now we spoke is on a high level.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are entering into the actual AML.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Actually, this one I want to take it next class, because whatever I have said you know till this, right?
Yes, sir.
I don't know how much you have what do you say that absorbed,
Okay, sir.
because means like it's did you find like I went very fast?
No, sir, no.
Till this you are very clear, right?
Clear, sir.
Okay. What I want tomorrow for you is that from day one, like yesterday's class and today's class, I want you to give me a recap.
Okay, sir.
First 10 minutes, I'm giving it to you.
Okay, sir.
Because if I say, I will say very fast, go, done. I want to know how much you understood. Because if you
Okay.
understood all that, then this all I will be able to say you.
Okay, sir, sure.
Hmm? Okay, because this is coming very, what is this topic is little dense.
Okay.
So if I say you now, it will be like time consuming and all those things. Okay. So, okay, I'll give you one small overview of this one is that what more, uh, okay, I'll do one thing. I am, wait. Uh, okay, I now stopped my screen.
Okay, sir.
I'll ask you a couple of questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, you say me on what on your experience basis or whatever thing is, how will you let's say you have got a black money of 50 lakhs rupees.
Yeah.
Okay, you got 50 lakhs rupees somewhere and it's a black money. Okay, so how will you make that black money into the white money?
So to purchase some lands or property, sir.
If you
Properties.
do that, then your whatever that registration and all those things will be recorded, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
And then ED will come and say you, hey, how did you do this and all that? You will be caught, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Hmm. So this is a failure idea, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
Hmm. I mean, here also people are doing fraud. Actually, that land value will be, let's say, 20 lakh, 30 lakhs. They'll say no, it is 10 lakhs. That fraud also happening. But
Yes,
anyhow,
sir.
it will come into the in the banking system. You have to do some bank transaction. Something you have to do, right?
Right.
In the record, you will say, okay, I gave this person 10 lakh rupees by cash. It is recorded, right?
Yes, sir.
So, some other ideas?
No, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think, yeah, next 10-15 minutes, maybe we can just discuss on this whole thing. Because why I am saying you this part is when you are thinking to go to a AML analyst role, your job is to find out the criminal, or you have to find out the suspicious transactions, right?
Right. Sir.
So your analytical skills need to be aligned in that way.
Okay.
Is my English a little bit tough?
No, sir.
Okay, right? English?
Comfortable, sir.
Comfortable, right? Okay. Because sometimes I'm using this legitimate, illegitimate, this, that words, right? Okay. So this has to be aligned. Your thinking, everything need to be aligned into that way so that you will be able to understand those things. How will you be aligned? Until and unless you don't understand how that crime happens.
Yeah.
Correct, right?
Right. Sir.
So when I said you, how will you make black money to white money? You are saying me, I'll buy land.
Yes.
So this one is, you will record. If you would have said me, I will buy gold
Yeah.
or I'll buy silver, I can agree.
Okay.
Because you'll go to a shop, you will give him in cash, you buy the gold, keep it in home. Who knows?
No one.
No one will know, right?
Right. Sir.
This is how you have to think. Your thinking has to go in that way. I gave you one example, this one. But the fraud, scams, and all those people, they are doing many things. Okay. So how to do that? Your thought process has to go into that angles.
Okay, sir.
Then only you will be able to be a good analyst. So for that, as I said you, system basics you need to know. Then AML basics you need to know.
Okay.
System basic, I showed you everything. So
Okay, sir.
system wise, you have an idea. Okay. But that system basic will not come into picture to you in your work. Okay. That system basic will not come to your, but what it will help you is, it will help you to say, okay, these are the transactions like this would have been the account, this would have been the customer KYC, this is what I need to see, this I need to map like this, like this. That picture, whatever is there, no, that picture will come to your mind immediately when you know this all. That is why I made you understand on the system basic.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you think in this angle, like you just think, I am giving you homework now. How will you make your 50 lakh rupees from black money to white money?
Okay, sir.
This is your homework. Good homework, right?
Yes, sir.
Think. I mean, I want you to utilize your brain,
Okay, sir.
because from now on, once you start utilizing your brain and all that, this all will be easier.
Yeah.
They say, right, mental exercise.
Yes, sir.
So this is your mental exercise homework for you.
Okay, sir. Interesting.
Uh-huh. Okay, this is one part, and I want, like as I said, you some little bit of geopolitical when you get time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now you know the AML life cycle now.
Life cycle.
Customer account transaction alert
Transaction.
cases to reporting. This is the total life cycle of a AML.
AML.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
now in AML we have two parts: money laundering and terrorism.
Terrorism. Okay.
Okay. Now today we will talk about money laundering.
Okay, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay, fine. Okay, so you know what is money laundering? Black money to white money. Simple term I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this is the means, like in a very simple manner I'm saying there are three stages: placement, layering, and integration. Okay. So what do you mean by placement? Placement is, let's take this example of 50,000 rupees. Okay. I'm giving one very small example to you.
Okay, sir.
Now what happened? You have your relatives, close relatives, something, or whom you believe. Okay. What you will do is that 50 lakh rupees, 1 lakh you will give to your mother, 1 lakh you will give to your father, 1 lakh to your brother, sister, uncle, auntie, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, this, that, whatever. Whomever you know, 1 lakh you will give it to everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, what they will do is they will take that one and then they will put it into some land, something, they will do something here and there, this, that. And finally, again, what you will do is that all money you will collect from them and take the 50 lakh back. Understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
You gave 50 lakhs to different people.
Okay.
They put it in somewhere here and there, or they kept it or whatever. And then again, you are taking back from them 50 lakh rupees. Okay. Like,
Okay, sir.
you gave to your brother 1 lakh, you gave to your father 1 lakh, you gave to your friend 1 lakh, like that, all people. So all the peoples, what they will do is they will transfer that 1 lakh rupees or whatever to your account.
Okay.
Okay. So now what happened? That 1 lakh rupees, it will not come into a radar because it is small amount.
Okay.
Fine. Or if you make it less than 50,000, if it is more than 50,000, they have to give the PAN.
Yes.
Right?
Right, sir.
Let's say, let us make it 50,000. 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Many people you gave. Some are paying you in 10 days, some are paying you in 1 month, some are paying you after 5 months, something, whatever it is. At the end of all that, you got 50 lakh rupees again. So that 50 lakhs now became in bank, is a legitimate money for you, white money.
Okay.
Got it, right? The whole
Yes, sir.
scenario you got now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when you are giving that 50,000, 1 lakh to all these people, this part is called as layering.
Okay, sir.
Okay. When you're distributing this money and these people are putting in their account and they are sending it to you, whatever it is called layering. Sorry, placement. I'm sorry. It is called placement.
Placement.
Okay. You gave them the money, all those things. That is placement. Then what they are doing layering means they are taking that money, they transfer to someone transfer you this, that. I mean, it's like a cyclic something they
Cycle.
did. Some 2, 3 account, 4 account, something they are moving the money here and there, here and there. And finally, that money they are transferring it to you. Okay. So that movement of funds in between.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now let me take that example again to you. Your brother, you give.
Okay.
Okay. Your brother, let's say 1 lakh rupees he took from you. And then what he did, he gave to someone else. That someone else put to somebody else. That somebody else again did something, then this one, and then that XYZ person is sending you the money. He is no over connection to you.
In cyclic way.
See, you gave to your brother,
Yes.
family relation. There is a chance to be caught, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
He gave it to someone else. That someone else gave it to someone else. Let's say XYZ. That XYZ is giving to you. Now here, that XYZ is nowhere related to your family. He is not your friend. He is not your contact somewhere. He is nothing in your contact list.
Right.
Okay. So that guy is, you are getting your money back. So now your brother placing that money into the bank system.
Okay.
That guy is transferring to ABC. Your brother transferring to ABC.
Yes.
This is called placement.
Okay.
Then ABC moving the fund to XYZ. That is called layering. XYZ giving the money to you is called integration.
Okay.
This is the whole cycle, how the money transfer from here and there and all that. And finally, it comes to you. So that black money converts to white money.
Okay.
Got it, the whole picture now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here what it is saying is, when you transfer this kind of things, it will be very difficult for the banks or to the analyst or something, that they are not able to know from where this fund went, what happened, this, that, something, you never know. Okay, this one I'm saying about small money. Many big companies and all those things, they do, right? This whole thing.
Yes, sir.
If you see in a company way, they would be saying, okay, they will, let's say they will have 500 employees. They will say, I'm giving salary to them, but that persons will be their person only, their known person. And they are saying, these are my employees, I'm giving salary. And these people, they will do something, and then finally they will again deposit the money and give it to you. Examples I'm giving, just example like this. So this is how the money laundering, black money becomes white money. This is just think like an example only. It can be in many cases, many type, many ways.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So when you say money laundering, that's classic 3 stages. They say placement, layering, integration. PLI. Okay, you write it PLI. Placement, layering, integration. When you go to interviews, these are the questions they will ask. What is placement? What is layering? What is integration? They may give one scenario and all that, and they will ask, okay, this scenario fits into which layer?
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is how in interviews until and unless you give 1 to interview, you will know what they are saying. Okay, so some sample case. This one I have just put it here. Okay, so one is okay. These words you note it out. Structuring.
Mm.
Okay. So what does the structuring means? Like what they say is like since in our Indian that RBI guidelines below 50,000 you don't have to give PAN. Above 50,000 only 50,000 or 50,000 above only you have to give the PAN number.
Okay, sir.
So I have 5 lakh rupees, for example, and I want to deposit in bank. If I put 5 lakh rupees, I have to give PAN and all that. My name will come in the list. So what I'm doing is instead of that, some months I'll put 40,000, 30,000, 48,000, 45,000. This is below 50,000. So that I do not come into their radar. This is called structuring.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then comes smurfing. Okay. Smurfing is nothing but what they will do is they will divide that transactions into small amounts with multiple people. As I gave you one example, right? Like that 50 lakh example, you gave
Yes,
it to
sir.
different people and all that. That is called smurfing. These words, you write it and you do a Google and try and get more this one also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, smurfing. Then there is something called money mules. So money mules means these were accounts which are having like whose what do you say income is low income,
Okay.
but they are doing heavy transactions,
Um,
something kind of.
okay.
They are money mules account, mule accounts. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you have something called risk, yeah, shell company. Shell company means these companies exist in paper only, but physically there will be no office of this company. These are
Okay.
called shell companies. So these are some example I'm giving. There are many more words like this coming up. So in this banking language and all that, these words are very important.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will also actually today I was a bit busy and all that, so I could not bring up some other things I wanted to say you. So I'll give you some more example. Just remind me tomorrow or something
Okay.
to give more example on this smurfing,
Yeah.
money mules, and all those things. These are
Okay.
very important concept. I think. Wait, just give me uh, somewhere. Okay. Okay, fine. I will take it up. I'll give you some more example tomorrow. Hmm? So just
Okay.
write it that these are nothing but these keywords, not keywords, we'll say. These are the terminology, vocabulary used in your this
Banking.
one in banking and AML.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what is structuring, what is morphing, what is shell company, shell accounts, all these words.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you have to get accustomed with these words.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you if you're not able to understand something, by heart also, yeah.
No, sir, I
Okay.
don't want to buy head.
Best is try to understand.
Yes, sir. It will store.
You write it, then do something and try to understand more will be more better.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now, okay. I'm just giving one case study of this Punjab National Bank scam which
Yeah.
happened. You heard this Nirav Modi, Mehul
Yes, sir.
Choksi, right? In news
Yes,
it
sir.
was coming, right? One guy is in UK, one guy is in, I think, Switzerland or something, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what actually that scam happened? Okay, how that scam happened? So what that guy did is he did a money laundering on a trade, basic. Okay, he was doing some trading. I think it was diamond purchase something. It was on Mehul Choksi was Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi. They were on diamond merchants. Okay,
Okay.
so they brought, they took loan something, and then they provided some wrong invoices, and they said they have done some transaction with international parties and like that. Okay, so this is how they had framed the thing. So what actually they did internally is, actually they had some, let's say, 20 crore rupees of a diamond or something, but they said I am doing one, what is it, that one, I have a deal with some diamond merchant outside India, and okay, so I want some money to purchase the diamond, polish it, and then make jewelry and sell it, like that kind of thing. So they
Okay.
asked loan from the Punjab National Bank. Okay, so they gave one fraudulent letter of undertaking through
Undertaken.
SWIFT. Okay, without entering the banking core system.
Okay.
Okay, so to get the loans. Okay, so they provided this fake letters of undertaking. I mean, this is some banking concept, but what they did, they used some fake documents.
Okay.
Okay, so overseas branches and all that, they gave credit. Then the funds, what happened? These funds went to shell companies. Like in my previous slide, I said shell companies means the companies exist only in paper, but there is no physical office.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? So they have created some shell companies in Hong Kong, UAE, and some other places also, and they created all this and fake document they gave, and then this one they took loan. Okay, so what happened is they got the loan and they used that money for different purpose. It was not for their diamond things and all that. They used for some other things. Okay. So what is a so red flag? This word red flag means it is creating a suspicious activity indicator.
Oh,
In AML, they say it as a red flag.
red flag.
Okay. These are the words and terminology. These are all will be used coming on. And this all, you have to keep it in your mind. It should not, what is red flag? What is that? You should not ask again. You have to be,
Okay.
when I say red flag, you have to understand there is some suspicious activity happen.
Okay,
Like
sir.
your red light signal. In traffic, red light signal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So how that red flag things all that came? It was something unrealistic, repetitive import-export invoices they provided, fake documents. Some missing or forged shipping document. Forged shipping documents means fake documents. Like when you do import, export and all that, they will give some invoice, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So those bills, whatever. Okay. High value transaction with no corresponding stock movement means transactions happen, but There was no diamond purchase or diamond sell or something. Understood? Huh? Now this this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then over reliance on a single bank officer means one bank officer, they had bribed him and they used him, and whatever things to be done by a bank and all that, they did in that manner.
Okay.
Okay, this is how they framed the whole thing. See, without any insider, this is not possible, right? It could be
How's brother?
one single bank officer, it can be multiple bank officer, or it can be the branch manager, including the whole staff. Anything can
Okay.
be possible. Okay, so without there, this one, you cannot do anything. All the scams, whatever is happening in the, any insider person will be there.
Okay.
Maximum cases, I will not say all, maximum cases, there will be some insider case.
Okay. Like without verifying the documents, they will provide the loan, sir, with the help of insiders.
Not without verifying.
Okay.
See, what this bank guy would be saying is, they will give a list of documents which I want, right?
Right.
This this document, and this guy will say that no, I don't have this all document, and what he will say, okay, you can do some forgery or something, this way, that way, you can prepare these documents and give it, I will take it up.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then I will take it up. He will take it up. Then whoever would be doing the KYC, CDD, and all those things, he will bribe him and say that you don't need to do many in proper due diligence and all that. You just say yes, this all I verified, pass it.
Okay.
Understood? Now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is how it happens.
Okay.
Okay. So this all things, then how this was being came into limelight is when this case all went to the what is it, RBI level, FIU team and all. The FIU team, they when they started verifying, they all find it. Okay, whatever Swift is nothing but it is a standard protocol between when cross-border
Transaction.
transactions happen. So that
Okay.
is that I forgot that whole acronym. Uh, uh, what is that? Wire transaction, inter-wire fund transfer. Swift, wait, I forgot that. Something means it's a wire transfer, but wire fund transfer, interchange wire fund transfer, something like that. Yes. Yes, I forgot
Okay.
something. Okay, I
Okay.
will. You just do
I
a
will
Google,
Google it,
or
sir.
I will also do a Google and see.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what they saw, the Swift message, it will have who is the actual person from whom the things are done, who is the seller, who is the purchaser, from which bank to which bank. All those details will be in that Swift messages.
Okay.
Okay. So the Swift messages they took, then in the banking, the account, the transaction history and all that, they found the mismatch. Okay, then you have this maker checker controls and all that. So this was also missing because this bank officer, he did some fraud and all that. They did not properly do a maker checker, this whole thing.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how it came up. Okay, this is one
Okay.
case study.
Sir, what is TBML, sir?
Trade based money
Trade.
laundering.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
here somewhere I would have written here. Oh, somewhere, yeah.
Sir, in
Trade based.
category,
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Trade-based money laundering.
No longer.
Okay. So see, actually, there are many more things in this one in AML. Like one is your banking, one is your crypto, one is your trade.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
all these things are different this one, but I'll be talking most on the banking side.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So when you say trade, it can be in your what is it, stock exchange also.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Okay. And then there is something called Hawala also. One more case study.
Okay.
Okay. Is it becoming heavy, or I will just go to the next slide and sometime later we can come to case study too?
Okay, sir.
Or do you want to say, I'll say you about the case study too here now also? Because first of all, you need to digest
Okay, sir. We can go through case study two also, sir.
case study too also. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is Hawala. What is Hawala kind of case? Hawala kind of case is actually it's a like uh, human network.
Okay.
They don't go via the banking route. They go via the human network route. I'm giving you one example. Maybe in many movies or something you have seen that for
Through
example, I don't remember one movie what it was like. One person, he went to some they will do some lottery system, right? This horse riding, uh, and
yeah.
some other things where they will do like you bet on one horse, or you bet on something, and then all that they will do, right? They will collect the okay, there are 10 horses, I am betting on two to win. If that horse win, I will get this much money, like that, right?
Yes, sir.
So what will happen there is you are giving, let's say, 10,000 rupees there, and you are betting it on horse number two. Horse number two is winning, and they need to give you, let's say, 10 lakhs rupees.
Okay.
They'll not give you 10 lakh rupees when you go to counter.
Okay.
Okay, they will give you a paper note, or they will give you something different. Okay, some chit, something they will give, and they will say, you take this chit, go to that place, that person will give you the money.
Okay.
Okay, so when you go to that place, you give the chit, they will not ask you your PAN, identity proof, or anything. That chit itself is your
Identity.
identity. They'll give you the money without seeing anything about you. They'll give. Let's say you gave that chit to your friend and you say, you go and collect. He will go and collect.
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay. So it is a human chain. How they do? Maybe this way, chit, this, or they will have some code word, or something. I don't. I mean, it can be anything where there will be no banks involved.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what happens is like these people, they have a network. So that can be via cash, that can be via gold, that can be crypto payments, something. You never know what kind of things it will be based on that. I gave you the horse trading, I'm saying that what is a horse riding bettings and all that betting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like that example, it can be in any form. Here,
Okay.
no bank involvement, no financial institution involvement. It is totally human based. So this is very much dangerous thing. And
Okay.
this kind, finding this kind of things are very difficult. Okay, and this can be not only inside India, it can be global.
Okay.
Okay. So here, the thing is, like how they find, like you took that money, then you will do the structuring, layering, this all things happens, right? What we
Yes,
spoke
sir.
earlier.
Yeah.
See, if you got a big money, you cannot keep it in your locker, right? In your house locker or something.
Yes.
You will try to put it in somewhere, some bank, something. You will try to take it and then
Convert into
make
white.
it black to white, right?
Yeah, right.
In that way, these all things are coming out. And there could be many more where it is being hidden and nobody knows. Those funds can even go for terror financing.
Okay.
Okay, you never know. So these are like what do you say? Means this some of the cases come up, some of the cases come up means if I say if that percentage if I take it will be 10 or 20% max.
Okay.
80 to 90% will be hidden and government knows, everybody knows, but they cannot do anything. Whom they can catch? It can be a person like you and me.
Yes, sir.
So intelligence officers and all that, how much they can have that network and all that. So these are there, and government knows, and this will go on. You cannot do anything. Whatever comes in the banking system or something, they are able to determine, detect, and that also, it is also that 30-40% or 50% or something, not all. That is a
Okay.
drawback in the system. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is AML is not a foolproof solution. If it would have been a foolproof solution, then this crime, financial crime, and all that would not have happened, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
How much you can catch, you catch. So, how to catch and all that, that analyst has to think of that way, and that he has to raise those red flags. Analyst work is to, if it found something suspicious, it has to raise a red flag. That's all. That is your level one. Level two will take it up from there. Then when it goes to level three will take it from there.
Okay, sir.
I spoke to you right yesterday. Level
Yes, sir.
one,
Right.
level two, level three.
Yes, sir.
That is how it happens. That is why they say in bank and this whole thing, AML, it is all a reactive process.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So take the best example here. After crime happens, only police come, right?
Right, sir.
Before the crime happens, is police coming up? No, right?
No, no, sir.
Very, very rare. Correct. Now take this Delhi bomb blast case.
Yes, sir.
Something happened, and this since it is a terrorism and all those things, so our government's intelligence agency and all that, they found some news, something somewhere they found, and what in news they are saying, they got some news, they started tracking, and then they followed these people, and these people, because they had some bigger plan, but they were out of plans or something. They took went and directly did a bomb blast in uh, near Delhi Red Fort. That is how the news are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
How much is truth? We don't know. It can be
Right,
correct.
sir.
So, but at least whatever has happened, if that impact would have been 100%, then it would have been a very different kind of case. At least these people, if they are, as media is saying, 70-80%, they were able to capture. So that is something called proactive. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So this is what reactive investigation, proactive investigation. How
Yeah.
so now the in the current what is a broader discussions in regulatory bodies, banks, and all that, they are saying how can we move from reactive in investigation to proactive things and all that. So that all things are coming. That is the reason I'm saying you here reactive and proactive. Basically,
Okay, sir.
AML is a reactive process, like police
Okay.
does. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So just to summarize, in money laundering, placement, layering, and integration. This is the basis. So how this is being done? They are using structuring, smurfing, mule account, shell companies, shell
Okay.
accounts, all those things. Okay. Shell accounts means people doesn't exist, but his account is there in a bank.
Bank.
That is shell account. That is also happening, right? Fake Aadhaar card, fake ID cards. They'll create one customer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is how it happens. Clear? Money
Clear.
laundering. This case scenario, how Hawala happened, how this scam thing, this all. Okay. This is just for understanding. This is how your mind has to think.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Uh, okay. As I said, you like terror financing. This topic, I'll take you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And for now, I will stop here about the money laundering. And you understood like what is how they convert from black money to white money. What
Wait,
are
man.
how they do the placement, layering, integration. So how they do in placement? Say this amounts they will divide and all that. All that is called structuring. They will use mule accounts, means small accounts, multiple accounts.
Morphing.
Okay, morphing and all that. So this is how it happened. I'll just do a little bit of this one. I'll give you some more example tomorrow. Remind me on
Okay.
this words and all. You wrote that words, right?
Yeah, right, sir.
Huh?
I wrote that.
All that you what is red flag?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yeah, red flag structuring
Struct
morphing shell
huh.
company.
Yeah. Okay. Any doubt till now?
No, sir. As of now, no.
Okay, fine. Okay. I don't want to rush actually. Honestly, I don't want to rush because the thing is how much you will be able to understand, because this is the basis, basic.
Okay, sir.
When if your base is strong, other things you can easily grasp.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This one. Okay. Here is something called shadow banking. This is this came. Okay. Shadow banking. What is shadow banking? Like they are not banks, but they use as a banks.
Yeah.
Understood, right? See, you took a cheat.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, okay, I'll give you a okay, good. I'll take a 5-10 minutes more here. This is also a very good concept. So, how does it happen is, let's say, what they are doing is, let's say you have betting. See, betting is illegal in India, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
Hmm? Only betting only in India. There is one place called Goa where casino is there, and that is the only place where it is legal.
Yes, sir.
Other than any other place, it is illegal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, even if it is illegal, you have betting centers, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Huh?
Right,
Take
sir.
the
Yeah,
example of
complete.
IPL.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Huh? Apps are there. This there. Many things are happening, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
Huh? You know, right? In IPL, a lot of bettings are happening.
Yes, sir. Lot of.
Huh? Okay. Now, there are big, what do you say, let's say industrialists or politicians or their children's or those who have more money and all those things. They would be doing a lot of betting right there.
Yes, sir. Right.
Can they do illegally? No. How they will do? If they do via app, it will be banking and all that. They will be caught.
Yes,
So
sir.
what they do, they go to these centers and they will say, yes, put 10 lakhs rupees on Royal Challenge. Hmm? Or they'll
Sir,
say
they will
Punjab Kings.
bet through cash only, no, sir?
It can be anything. It can
Okay.
be cash, it can be crypto, it can be on via gold, it can be anything. Yeah.
Okay.
Means there, see, to do a illegal work, do you need
Many ways.
anything? This one, it can be anything, right?
Yeah, right.
Or maybe this, let's say, for example, I'm just giving one this one. Let's say two terrorist organization are there.
Okay.
Okay. Al Qaeda and Jaish e Mohammed. I'm giving example here. Okay,
Okay.
those people, they don't have money, they don't have anything. They have some rifles, guns, pistol, cartridges, bullets, etc., grenades, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh? They will play within themselves. They'll say, "Hey, I'm betting today Punjab Kings will win." So Al Qaeda guy will say, "Okay, if Punjab King wins, I am betting 100 guns." What are you putting? He'll say, the other Jaish e Mohammed will say, I'll also put 100 this one on Royal Challenge Bangalore.
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
happened, whoever wins or lose, that 100 guns will go to them, right?
Right.
Happen, right?
Yes, sir.
Like that. It can be anything. It doesn't matter to be cash, this, that. What I'm trying to say here is that these big people who have lot of money, who are doing tax evasion,
Okay.
who have lot of black money, so they will be engaged in these activities, right?
Right.
So how they will make that? They will not come into the picture of government, but they will do all these illegal things. So they will go to this betting centers either by themselves, or they will go, say, on the phone. They'll have the bookies, right?
Yes, sir.
Every this one they'll have some bookies, so they'll contact to the bookies. They'll say, okay, I'm betting on this team, make my account this much money. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That will happen. Then they will give a code word. These bookies will give a code word. So what is happening? Since they have some understanding between them, so this guy, he will transfer that money to that bookie via cash or something. Any channel they he will do, maybe crypto also. You never know. So if he loses, loses. If he wins, how he will collect his money? Bookie will give a code word
Yes, sir.
or something code. Then this guy will go and say, okay, this is my code. You give me that money. He will give by cash, or he will give by gold, or he will give by crypto. He will give by anything. Here, there is no involvement of what? Bank.
Yeah.
So this is called shallow banking.
Okay, sir.
Okay, where no banks are involved, but this is happening. So what these people have, this bookie, he will collect the money from whatever this one. He will keep his what is his cut, and that some amount he will give who is a distributor. Like that, they will have their cuts, right?
Yes, sir.
So they will earn their own money in that way. Understood how things are happening. This is called hawala and shallow banking.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In movies, you have seen, right? Many like this.
Yes, sir. Right.
So that the thing, you just put it in your brain. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you got a clear picture, right? Hawala.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I think, yeah, it's good to close for now. And we'll speak of terror financing next class.
Okay.
Whatever you have written, do a little bit of Google research.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
And like, as I said, you Hawala and all those things. Just think of that like we have seen 100 movies, right? In that
Yes, sir.
movies, you can try to capture
Okay.
how illegal things is happening and how this they are trying to make it legal, something how this police are doing, that kind of thing, something you just try to what you say, from entertainment now you have to think in their tangle. See, means you'd have seen, right, lot of scam movies and all those, right,
Yes, sir.
web series and all that.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? So all that you put it in your mind and see, think yourself in that angle.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Huh? Okay, I'll give
Yeah.
you one just high level. What is a TLG scam? You know what is this stamp paper, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? What is stamp paper?
Stamp paper, sir?
Hmm.
No, sir.
Stamp paper you don't know, huh?
No, no, sir.
Revenue stamp, you know?
Yes, sir. Revenue stamp, I know.
Okay. Why you are using revenue stamp?
Uh, like it's for register purpose only, sir.
Registration purpose, right?
Yeah.
That you did this money means transaction, and this is the amount. Based on that amount, you put this revenue stamp accordingly, and you give a sign, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, so stamp paper is something like that. Based on the valuation of your transaction, there is something called 1 rupee stamp paper, 10 rupee stamp paper, 100 rupee stamp paper, 1,000 rupee stamp paper,
Rupees.
like that. They have
Yeah.
some, and that stamp paper goes to the your judiciary.
Stamp.
This one,
Okay, stamp
judiciary
paper.
means,
Okay.
understood now? Stamp paper.
Yeah, I
It
got
goes
it,
to the
sir.
government of India.
I heard like a stan, sir. STAN.
Okay,
So
okay, stamp paper. Huh?
yeah,
You know, right?
I know that. Yeah, right.
Okay, for all registration purposes and any other
Yeah. Yeah.
which are having government
Value will be
interference.
mentioned. Yeah.
Okay, that's stamp paper. So
Okay.
in that TLG scam, what that TLG guy he did is he created fake stamp paper. Like the stamp paper looks ditto.
Okay.
Like you would have heard about currency notes, right? 100 rupees, 200 fake notes.
Yes, sir.
Like that, he created fake stamp papers.
Okay.
Okay. And then what he did, these notary people, they will go to the court and they will buy the stamp papers, right?
Right, sir.
Then they will print on that, right? That is how they do, right?
Yes, sir.
What this guy did, tell G what he did, he printed that stamp papers and he sold to this notary people.
Okay.
So government lost crores of rupees because of that.
Okay.
So government, what it was printing, these people, they were smuggling it. So instead of that government stamp paper going to the courts, these people, they put their stamp papers and sold to the court.
Okay.
Got it, right? This is how that
Yes,
scam
sir.
happened.
Okay.
Okay, this is a different kind of scam.
Yes, sir.
Scams are scams, right?
Yes,
Like
sir.
that.
Right.
So that when you see all these web series and all that, the criminal mind and all that, you have to come and how it happened, how what kind of as an analyst, what kind of things where you can find a red flag. The main intention of an analyst is to identify the red flag
Yes.
in the transactions.
Okay.
That is the main aim of an analyst. That's
Okay,
it.
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. I think I spoke a lot and I gave some good example to you right now.
Yes.
Think
Yes,
in
sir.
that angle. Yeah. Okay. See you tomorrow then.